Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick review of the Elite Signals, their trading indicator that they have to offer here. So I found it through Discord. They actually have a pretty, I'll pull up their Discord here. They have a pretty in-depth Discord actually. It's a lot of stuff going on here. Yeah, so it's free to join. There's a few rooms that only come with the paid membership. Once you use that paid membership, you'll have access to these stocks and options signals, Forex signals, crypto signals, and these here are all, I guess it's their analysts. So if you look on their website, they offer or they advertise 30 plus analysts posting daily signals. So that would be, I'm thinking that's this here. So, I was looking through a few of them earlier, just going through some of these signals that these analysts are putting out, and yeah, it does seem like they're uploading them quite frequently, pretty much daily. So that's just one of the features that you're getting with this indicator. When you purchase their membership, you're getting access to this Discord that lets you see all these different analysts and what they're pushing out, what they're telling you to buy and sell and whatnot. Here you can see, they're telling you the entry, the levels to take profit, your stop loss, that kind of stuff. So that's one thing that comes with this indicator, which is really nice, or with the membership, I guess I should say, because usually it's you buy one or the other, but this comes all together, so it's pretty sweet. In the video description, it'll take you right to this website here. And sometimes they're running a promo, so I'll leave the link. It'll take you right to this page. Look up on this banner here. Sometimes they run a promo, 25% off, 50% off. I was able to hop in and purchase it when it was 50% off. So just kind of keep an eye on that and see if they're offering any discounts here. But yeah, you can join their Discord up here. It takes you to TradingView. I think there's even like a live demo running. Sometimes it's running. I don't think it's up right now, but you can always come here, check it out, watch the live demo running for yourself, and see it working with both Bitcoin and Ethereum. But let's head over to TradingView.com and we'll take a look. So I brought up a chart here that I was kind of interested in Google. So we'll see how it kind of does with this chart here, and we'll see what the buys and the sell signals are. We'll kind of go over some of the features of this indicator. So I have it here, and I'll just enable it now. And yeah, so right off the bat, it's picking up some good buy and sell signals. And again, these do come in real time. So the most recent one we got here was a sell signal. And this came in at 15:30. It looks like. So this is all in real time. So when this chart is progressing through the day, you're gonna see these coming in. Obviously, the market's closed right now, but when you're watching this, you're gonna see these signals coming in real time. So that's the main feature of this indicator, is these buys and these sell signals, which is why I bought it. I didn't even, to be honest, I didn't even know it came with the analysts at first. So that's kind of just like an extra little bonus that you're able to take advantage of in that Discord there. I bought it mainly to see these buy and these sell signals to kind of help my trading out. And so far, I've tested it out for about a day or so, and it seems like it's pretty accurate on pretty much any time frame. I was doing a lot of testing yesterday with it on different time frames. So yeah, it's pretty much as accurate as you can get out there for as indicators go. Anyways, I've played around with a few of them, and this one seems to be right up there with the best. So we'll take a look at some of the settings that are offered here. So just going down, they have a dashboard you can enable, and I think this gives you, kind of just gives you a little bit of a like a synopsis, I guess, of what's going on with this chart. Your current strategy, current sensitivity. You can mess around with the sensitivity a little bit. I found auto sensitivity to work the best. You just enable that, and you don't have to worry about messing with the sensitivity. You can, if you want, you can take the auto sensitivity off and mess around, but you can see these sell and the buy signals kind of move over a little bit. So I just leave that enabled, and I find you're getting a little bit more accurate signals that way. I can tell you what your current position is, the current trend, the trend strength, your volume, volatility, momentum, and the time frame trends. So right now, you're seeing the 15-minute is a little bearish, and everything else seems like it's bullish. So it's cool to have that dashboard. Nice little bit of extra detail on a chart that you're looking at. For the sake, though, we'll just disable it for now. But yeah, you can mess with the location, the size of it, all that. Yeah, so obviously if you click this, it'll take the signals off. Click it, enable it again, and you have your signals back. Here, I'll move this out of the way a little bit. So yeah, you're seeing these buy and sells coming, and then, I mean, it's pretty accurate, like I think it's mainly looks like it's running off of this trend cloud here. And you can see, maybe, so we're on we're on an hour chart right now. So yeah, a couple hours after it's putting in a sell signal. But I mean, if you're looking at this here, the buy to the sell, like yeah, that's not bad. That's pretty accurate, actually. Yeah, so we'll move along here. Your agility, I haven't played with this too much. I'm not 100% sure. Not 100% sure what it does. It seems to move them a little bit. But yeah, this I would just leave it as to what they have. I think it's default 200, so I just leave it at that. Closed bars, your trend scalper. So this kind of gives you a little more detailed trend clouds here, so you can take a look at those if you're into that kind of thing. Again, we went over auto sensitivity. The auto sensitivity preset, so you can select short term, long term, midterm. Let's see here, consolidation signals filter. So here you're gonna see where we go here, there we are. So here you can see your stop loss, your entry point, your take profits, and these, again, they all are in real time. So yeah, you have access to those. And that was, yes, consolidation filter. So smart signals only. Smart signals only. So I guess these are, it's just more guaranteed, I guess, if that's one way to put it. But I would just leave that off and go off of the regular signals. Here you can change the candle colors if you want. Looks like it's maybe displaying the trend with the candles, and when it reverses, maybe I think it's the different candle colors are reversed. Momentum candles. Okay, so yeah, here's your momentum. I guess this is coming up, and it's kind of showing you how the momentum is in this chart. I think you can change these. I'm not exactly sure how, but right now they're set to white. There may be a way to change the colors on those, but that's kind of a good way to get a little easy view of the momentum that's currently happening right now with this chart. We'll keep moving here. High volume signals only, just ones that are coming with the higher trade volume. So usually just leave that disabled, unless you're into that kind of stuff. So enable trailing stop loss. This I'm not too familiar with. If anybody knows, maybe leave that in the comments. Let me know. You can set your trailing stop loss percent. So enable swing highs and swing lows, and then you can change it here so you can see them all popping up. Your swing highs, swing lows. And then this was the take profit stop loss area. You can enable that, disable that, and you can set these custom if you want. So to a factor of 2, 1.5, 2. And then again, if you go to back to their Discord, sometimes they'll tell you what to set those factors to, so you don't have to do any guesswork. You can kind of just follow what they're telling you to do. You can also have the reversal signals here. These show up with little X's when the chart's reversing. Trend cloud. So this is just kind of, I guess, a a more broader trend cloud, you can, I think the one I have right now is fast trend cloud selected. Yeah, so so fast trend cloud enabled. That's where you're seeing this one here. It's a little more fine as opposed to the broader one. And then trend only signals. I guess these are coming with the trend cloud. So just leave that disabled. And you can set so you can set the preview for the trend cloud. And then you have some stuff you can mess here with the fast trend cloud. Again, these are all set specifically by Elite Signals, so I would just leave these as they are. I wouldn't be messing with stuff like this too much. More just enabling and disabling to your preference. You know, if you really like seeing the trend lines, you can auto enable those, and it just draws these on for you. And same with the support and resistance areas. You know, it'll draw these lines on. So it's kind of cool, I guess. Yeah, these look pretty accurate. So it's nice. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of it, and you can kind of just get an idea of these lines, you know, instead of sitting there having to figure out where to draw the lines, stuff like that. Just does it right there for you. And again, more settings here you can mess with. Consolidation zones, so it'll draw boxes of where it thinks the consolidation is. You can do your trading based off that as well. Heat map color or custom, I'm not sure what this is. Okay, it doesn't look like it does anything or nothing that I can see anyways. So I guess maybe I can change the color because it looks like it's transparent right now. But yeah, I'm not too sure what that does. You could toggle the order block so you can see it draws those lines again for you. And then you can change the significance. And these, I think, are just a little more visual stuff. So, and then you also have style here. You can play around with that too, your visibility. Yeah, so it looks like this offers a lot. And the main thing for me that I'd seen when I was thinking about purchasing this indicator is version 25. So to me, you know, that's a good sign that this is constantly being updated. And I think since I purchased it, actually in the last couple days before I had purchased it, they moved from version 24 to 25. So they're constantly updating this, and there's constantly you know, stuff being mentioned in the Discord. You know, their admins are active, and you know, you can see them answering people that have questions here. So it's kind of good. And always make sure when you are clicking on a name, if you go into the Discord to talk to the admins, make sure they have this admin role. You know, I've seen a few they'll message you pretending to be admins, but they're not. So just make sure make sure they have that admin role if you want to ask any questions. But again, this is just the Discord here it's free to join, and you can find that by going to join Discord here on that main website, and just click to join the Discord. So yeah, I'll leave a link again to this website here where it'll take you right to this page where it'll tell you if there's any discounts. So I'll leave that in the description. Click that, and it'll take you right here. And I'll also leave the Discord and all that stuff in there. So yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want. I can do a review on the oscillator as well. It's not I don't use it as much as I do the just the regular indicator, but they do have the oscillator. This comes with the membership as well, so it's like, kind of like you're getting three things. But yeah, I could kind of do a little review on this too if you'd like. But yeah, leave me a message in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. And for now, we'll see you in the next one.